Recognizing which type of fertilizer is best for your dragon fruit plants will help you make the most of your plant's growth. This in turn will help you in learning the different options available and identifying the various nutrients that can help improve the condition of your dragon fruit plants. What is organic and inorganic fertilizer? Organic fertilizers are made from the natural organic materials such as chicken or cow manure or other animals and plants products. These fertilizers are a great source of nutrients, although organic fertilizer tends to work slowly. In long term, it can help you build up your soil integrity. The main benefits of organic fertilizer is that it can be made at home using your own compost materials. Inorganic fertilizers are made of chemical components that contains the necessary nutrients. If you are looking for a quick boost for your plants, this is better options for you. During the vegetative stage, your dragon fruit needs primary macronutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. These are the basic elements required in plants' growth. They work together to produce a good, healthy plants. Nitrogen works by increasing plants' capacity to produce new stems, buds, and fruits. Phosphorus is vital for plants' growth. It helps the plants produce good organic chemicals. It produces energy via photosynthesis. This transforms the sugar and starch to nutrients within the plants, which help in forming large and strong roots. Potassium helps to build protein and fight plant diseases. It helps in growing sturdy and strong stems and well-developed flowers and fruits. All of these elements are essential during vegetative stage of your dragon fruit. If you decide to use inorganic, you can get this NPK in complete fertilizers such as 14-14-14, urea, and muriate of potash, which must be applied every 3 months. If you choose to use all organic, you can get your nitrogen from fish amino acid, fermented plants, chicken and rabbit manure, also manure from other animals. Just make sure that it is decomposed thoroughly and sterilized to get rid of the harmful bacteria. Potassium can be obtained from fermented juices and phosphorus from manure, animal bones, and eggs. Application of foliar organic fertilizer can be done every 2 weeks during vegetative stage and less during flowering stage. There is no overdose for organic fertilizer. The larger the amount, the better. Secondary macronutrients such as calcium, magnesium, and sulfur might also be needed. You can apply as foliar only if your dragon fruit plants needs additional fertilizer. Micronutrients such as iron, manganese, zinc, copper, boron, and chlorine used as a foliar as a supplement fertilizer. Liquid sewage fertilizer contains micronutrients which are good to use as foliar for dragon fruit maintenance. Frequency of fertilizers varies according to your personal judgment and preferences. Optimum frequency and quantity depends on the plant's response. Dragon fruits are very responsive to both soil and foliar applications. It is important that you recognize the right fertilizer for your plants, either organic or inorganic fertilizers. As always been said, there is no substitute for proper maintenance and continuous learning in farming. Keep safe everyone. Happy farming!